to my channel, Little Champs.
Little Champs.
Five little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back. Four little ducks went out to play, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only three little ducks came back. Three little ducks waddled by the shore, splashing in the water, oh what fun galore. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks swimming in the sun, having a great time, oh what fun. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. One little duck went out for a swim, feeling so brave it took a big whim. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the five little ducks came back. Then sadness fell over the quiet lake, until the little ducks heard a loud quake. All together they swam back in a row. Mother duck quacked, I love you so. Five little ducks, all safe and sound, waddled back home happy all around. Mother duck smiled and gave them a hug. Five little ducks all warm and snug.